To check your transaction history on Gmail, you can follow these simple steps. This guide will help you locate and review your transaction-related emails efficiently. Step 1. Open Gmail. Log into your Gmail account by entering your email address and password. Make sure you are using a device with internet access. Step 2. Access the search bar. Locate the search bar at the top of the Gmail interface. This is where you will input specific search terms to find your transaction history. Step 3. Enter search terms. Type in relevant keywords related to your transactions, such as receipt, purchase, order confirmation, or the name of the retailer. Press enter to execute the search. Step 4. Filter results. Once the search results appear, you can use the filters available in Gmail to narrow down your results. Click on the filter icon and select options like date range with specific senders to refine your search. Step 5. Review emails. Go through the filtered emails to find transaction details. Click on any email to open it and view the transaction information, including dates, amounts, and other relevant details. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history through Gmail. This will help you keep track of your purchases and manage your finances more effectively.